Hey guys, I'm Cooper with CLS Landscape, and today you're gonna come for a little ride along with me and come check out what I do in a normal day.
Hi Cooper.
How you doing?
Good?
Good.
Excellent.
I am on my way out to your house. Lewis and I are just gonna walk through kind of getting started because we'd like to mobilize equipment. Maybe not tomorrow, but definitely the next day. I've got the rock on order, and so we'll start shipping that later this week as well. 12 minutes, I'll be there. See you soon.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Okay, see you soon.
Bye. So we are on our way to meet Lewis in Silverhorn. It's a job that we're gonna set up for later this week, and kind of after the long weekend we'll get a good push on it, but it's a really large project that we're gonna use the help of Cook Custom Landscaping on. We turn to a bunch of our subs when we get too busy. They help us out with full projects, parts of projects. So we've got a really good team of people that we like to trust for projects. So yeah, we're gonna go meet Lewis. We're gonna get the job kind of mapped out, go through the plan, go through the materials so that we can start to mobilize tomorrow and get this project rolling. Okay, so I want to get Rico in because I want to pour like a band like across the front here, right? Yeah. But then also I want to pour bands that go like this down to his gate. So bands there. Boom, done. Hey Pat, so what did we name the dog?
This is Tucker.
Tucker, what a good name. What a color too. This is Lewis.
Hi Lewis.
How you doing?
Good, I'm Pat.
Very nice to meet you.
Yeah, good to meet you.
I'll be the foreman on the site
Excellent.
taking care of things.
Because what I'd like to do in this is going to be his,
Yeah, domain.
well, kind of play area,
Yeah.
potty room kind of thing.
The turf, it's like when it's done, it's like no mess. No.
And then I can just take a power washer and
100%.
wash her down.
And honestly, we put in the infill that it's not in the sand anymore, so it doesn't smell. I have a dog and I have like artificial turf. It never smells.
Perfect.
All right, so we're just getting back to the yard here now, and look, we found Lewis again. We're gonna go meet with another contractor that's working on a project and needs some help picking out some shrubs. Okay, so McKinnis project, we have 20 perennials, 12 shrubs, 6 trees, right? So we are 2, 4, 6, 8. So we're like, we need 12 more and then we need lots more shrubs. Jeannie, these are freaking amazing. Like, look at this. Okay, so we're there for shrubs for a starting point. Like, this is the starting for that. Then we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we need 9 more perennials of some sort. Like, honestly, Jose, I'm like, even if it was like, whatever, pick any 3 you want, but like the 3, they have good height to them, right? And they're good size. So I'd like to do like, yeah, 1, 2, 3. My workers.
Hey guys.
Can you go out there and get a list of the plants that I have? Deal, hang on, I'll get that. Emily's gonna get a list just so that she can sign it out.
Okay.
So welcome to our construction office. This is where all the construction paperwork happens. So we got Julie, Luke, our estimator, Paul, project manager, Cam, one of our project managers, and Scott, the construction manager. They all sit in here. So go in and check in with them. I sold them all to that lady on 5 Mountain Glen. I have 5 tiny ones. For sure he would, in his yard. So just, yeah, work on that. It's awesome. Send me the bill. I want to get it billed out for the end of the month. We are here in Watermark. So we're just gonna take a drive through and see what sites we're working on today. Right over here we got 10 Stony Point and we're running irrigation. Looks like the crew is working away on grading, loaming, and getting irrigation going, so. I could probably give you an address that we could go dump this and you don't have to take it all the way back to the yard. It's in this neighborhood and I could probably use it later. Yeah, I gotta fill up some grade. You sure? Yeah. Okay. I'll get you the address. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. We're here at 10 Stony Point, so we got a crew working here. Tony is just dealing with some irrigation issues, but he's our crew foreman on the irrigation side, so he's running all the lines for all of our zones, grass beds, plant beds, all that stuff. Got a crew working on grading up the property for the plant beds. It's kind of what it looks like pre-plants. So we'll get all the grades set right, we'll get the plants planted, and then it's on to garden beds and sod at this project. Because with how low it is, we can probably like feather out a bunch of that stuff. But the other one, Tony's most of the way through.
Yeah, he's just finishing this section and he's going to start front.
Okay, awesome. We did these two last year. We're doing this one this year. We finished this one this year. So we're starting these next two. And these are the two that we're working on now. So, I mean, we've done every house on this street thus far. How's it going? Good, how are you? Good. Looking good.
Thank you.
Holy smokes, there's everybody here.
The boys were doing some weekends and they just
Nice.
got done school, so they're week 1.
So they're getting their tans going.
Yeah, Luke's week 2.
Week 2, and everyone's got boots. Wow, we are doing good. How's it going? These sites look good, really good. You still got to do irrigation here though.
Irrigation, yeah.
Because he's gonna finish 10,
Yeah.
then come here, or then go somewhere else.
Finish 10, do
Then
this
here.
one,
Yeah.
and then 59.
So here we are, show home row. So we got Lighthouse there, Crystal Creek, and then on the far side is New West. So they're all in varying degrees of opening. This show home actually opened last week. As soon as it was done, they opened the doors. So we landscaped the front. Now we're working our way to the back. So today the goal is to get this sodded, beds done. We've got the sod out on the street, so. So here we are in Cochrane. This is our original location, opened back in 2009. So today we're just coming by to say hi, check on what the store needs, if there's any outstanding issues that they need resolved here, and any material shortages that we can get on trucks here to help them serve all of our wonderful customers in Cochrane. So we're gonna head inside now. What's new, Sophie?
Not too much, it's no good.
Still looking for the app that we're both gonna join and be cool kids. Good. We have two, no, I know. We have 2 pallets left.
Perfect.
So
Well,
you can
I
have
just
one.
need one.
Yeah, no. But I think then hopefully our shipment comes in. Hey, the sign looks good. That's sharp.
I know, right? Jeremy did that.
If you need anything else, let me know. I will make sure it gets down here.
People actually like the broken pieces.
But if we got rid of the really small ones, like if you got rid of like the really small shards, keep the bigger pieces, but then you can get rid of a little bit each time.
Okay.
You're all of a sudden gonna get a bunch more stock here soon because I'm gonna raid Springbank and get that. Yeah, you guys, this looks really quite sharp. Oh yeah, you guys have done a great job. You've done an astonishing job with no broom. Okay, so that was a good wrap on a busy day. We got to visit a few sites. We were out in Watermark today, checking out the 5 or 6 sites we got going there, including the show home. We were in Cochrane, checking out a job site. While we were in Cochrane, we got a chance to stop by the original yard, opened back in 2009, our yard right in Cochrane. And yeah, we got a chance to chat with a few contractors out in Silverhorn and in the yard. Got to pick some plants, go over some job specs, with Lewis from Cook Custom Landscaping. So overall, a good, productive Wednesday in the life of Cooper Leary at CLS Landscape Supply. Thanks for following along.